Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore and this is update about my new Yamaha RX 135.
And this is the first start for today. It will happen like this. Yes, guys, this is the 1999 model. So what I'm going to do today is I just told my mechanic to bring one handlebar, that is the RD350 handlebar, because that will be more comfortable. ಸರ್ ಏನಿವತ್ತು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹಾಂ 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 ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಇದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿನ್ನ. ಹಾಂ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಎಚ್ ಡಿ ಎಫ್ ಸಿನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇನೋ ನೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. ಮೋರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಮೋರ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಲ್ಲಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಕೊರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ಚೋಕ್ ಕೇಬಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರಲಿ, ಆದಷ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕದಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರೇಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಗೆ. ಹಾಂ. So guys, after I made that video for the Fiero engine. So he is getting call from the Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat and all, just to send the parts, because they are not getting genuine parts over there. So yeah, you will get all the genuine parts here. Just contact him for that. He will let you know the cost, and he will send it to you through the courier, whatever is there. But you have to make the what do you call, advance payment, so that they won't get demotivated to send the parts, or they won't be lazy to send the parts. If you give the advance payment, then they will send you parts immediately. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section if you want any parts to courier. I will talk to him and make sure that the parts are getting delivered on the time, because we also won't get here in the Yelanga and all. We should go to JC Road and all. We have to roam all over the Bangalore to get that parts. So this handlebar costed me 380 rupees, and yeah, if we are not getting the supply, means we have to pay more, obviously. For normal handlebar, which you will get a center bar, that is for maybe 280 or 300 rupees. But this handlebar we won't get it here, so we have to go inside the city, like a JC Road, and we have to bring from there. So I'm gonna install it now, so it will be more fun to ride.
This is Yamaha RX 135 which I bought maybe 2 days back because I sold my Yamaha RX 100. So the main motive to buy Yamaha RX 135 is once I rode my friend's Yamaha RX 135. So comparatively this is better than a 100. Even though which I like that bike got converted to 135cc, but I wanted that pure soul of 135. So I was looking for the Yamaha RX Z also. So I didn't bought one. So which I got two bikes I got, but they are too costly. They are saying about the 2 lakhs and 1 lakh 40,000 something like that. So that was not my budget to invest on this bike. So what I thought is I searched in OLX. Again I went to OLX and I searched this bike. So it was looking pretty good in a ad. So I met that guy and I talked with him. I went for the ride and everything is done. So I bought this bike on the same day. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the handlebar. So this is a stock handlebar with the RD350 handlebar. So this is the RD350 handlebar. This is wider and this is same like a RX handle which we normally call with a bar. So here in the Bangalore we call that that handlebar as a RX handle. So this is the RD350 handle without bar. So this I told mechanic to bring it for me. So he went today to the JC road and he bought it for me. So it costed me 380 rupees. Obviously, if I go there directly, I would have get it for 300 rupees something. So obviously, we have to pay for the handlebar because I didn't got it here in the Yelahanka. So again, they told me to give 3 to 4 days time to bring this handlebar, but I can't wait till then. So as you know, this is more comfortable than the normal, the stock handlebar of the RX because that is too short for me. It will be like this to ride. And that won't give enough confidence in a highways especially. So there is one more handlebar with the bar which I told you with the center bar. So that is there in my Suzuki Fiero. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the handlebar. This is the RX handle. This is with the center bar, you can see. So this is looking perfect on this bike and this is very comfortable to ride, trust me, and it won't give you any back pain or something like that. You can ride it peacefully. So you can see this is the stock handlebar of the RX and this is kind of small, okay. And if you want me to talk about the bike, this is a 1999 model and it is completely got restored. And you can see the behind wheel is 16-inch wheel and every whole bike is painted and these engine covers got replaced and the rear suspension is replaced and all the wiring stuff, you can see there wiring stuff is a new one. And yes, this is almost like a new bike for now. That's why I bought, and main motive to buy this particular bike is this, the bore E1, and the size is 0.5 the bore size. So that was the main motive to buy this particular bike. So what I'm going to do is now I'll replace the handlebar and I'll show you the differences. Let's keep it here. So the procedure is same, guys. You just have to remove the screws here, and then you have to loosen the bolts. You have to remove that, and this stuff, whatever is there, you have to remove and just replace it. There is no much procedure for this. So this is my personal tool kit, which I have been using from last 2 to 3 years. So after removing that, we just have to remove these 4 bolts. The size of bolt is 12. You need a proper tool to remove this. Just remove like that. So yes, this is the look after changing the handlebar. This is from the front. You can see it's wider. And the look is also very good, guys. See, this handlebar is just perfect for the Yamaha RX, I would say. And this is pretty comfortable, that you know. So this is the riding posture we will get on this RD handlebar. You turn like this, and trust me guys, this is very comfortable and I like this handlebar, I would say. And with the center bar also very comfortable to ride. But in terms of look, I don't know, this is my personal feeling. So I like this handlebar a lot. Okay, so I'll just show you. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts regarding the handlebars, just do let me know in this comment section so that I can clear those doubts. So this is the original handlebar. And sorry I'm not able to upload the videos regarding my Suzuki Fiero because I have a bigger plan on that to change that look, whole complete bike. So that's what I'm planning for. I have something in my mind that to change the whole bike into Scrambler look. So that for that I need some time to change complete look of this bike. So don't worry, you will get videos about this Suzuki Fiero as well. Just you need to wait for some few days. So once I get a complete plan on this bike, I'll start making it.